Hi guys, I'm here to discuss the function in C++. So let's go. A function is a building block of C++ programs that contains a set of statements which are executed when the function is called. It can take some input data, perform the given task, and return some results. A function can be called from anywhere in the program, and any number of times, increasing the modularity and reusability. Application: mathematics, algorithm, input and output handling. Parts of a function. The return type of a function specify the data type of the value that the function will return after its execution. If a function does not return any value, its return type is void. Function name: the identifier used to call the function. It should be descriptive and follow C++ naming conventions. Parameter: information can be passed to function as a parameter. Parameters act as a variable inside the function. Parameters are specified after the function name. Inside the parentheses, you can add as many parameters you want, just separate them with a comma. Function body. The function body is a block of code containing statements that define what function does. It begins with an opening curly brace and ends with a closing curly brace. Inside these braces, you'll find declaration and statement that perform the function's intended actions. So yun guys, samahan niyo ako gumawa ng function program. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is about sa grade, no? So simulan na natin. Huwag natin kakalimutan ng #include and iostream. So syempre, huwag din natin kakalimutan ng using namespace std. So dahil about sa grade ang gagawin natin is gagamitin natin is void and grade. So ayan, lalagay natin int p and medyo kinakabahan tayo. Pasensya na din, mabagal ang aking kamay. Yun. Yan, so let's go. So if magle-less than 75 ang grade natin is lalabas is failed, no? So syempre, if greater than 75 ang lalabas na grade, syempre pasado yan. So yan, patuloy lang tayo, no? Pasensya na kayo, mabagal yung kamay ko. Medyo kabado lang din. Yun. So, na tayo guys. Magre-return na tayo, no? And else tayo, syempre. So, yan, pagpatuloy lang natin. Medyo anong oras na rin? 3 na. So, yan. Tapos, back to grade. P. Tapos, lagay natin is pass. Yan, pagka natin ito guys, lagay lang. Pagtas natin dito guys, yan, lalagay tayo niyan. Yan, maglalagay tayo niyan, dalawa. So, magbabalik tayo. Int main na tayo. Int main. Entry grade. Then, in. Yun, return to 0 na tayo guys, no? So, subukan na natin i-run. Yan na guys. Sana gumana. Yun, gumana guys. So, let's try natin is less than 75. Natin kung lalabas ang result. Yun. Diba? Ang pinakabalak natin is pag less 75 is lalabas fail. Pero try naman natin ngayon ang greater than 75. Siyempre, 85. Lagi kong grade yan eh. 85 tayo. Yan. Nakita naman natin guys.